Hello, my dear students. Welcome to General Knowledge Class 2. In this session, we will do Chapter 28 Directions. Dear children, open page number 44 for it. Dear students, you all know that there are four main directions. They are East, West, North, and South. These directions tells us the way in which we will have to go to reach it. So, suppose if you want to go towards the east direction, your back will be in the west. The west is behind you then, and the north is to your left and the south is to your right. Okay, means whenever you face towards the east side, your back is towards the west direction, the north is in the left hand side and the south is in the right hand side. Here I have displayed a compass for you. A compass shows us the direction, the four directions. It looks like a watch. It has a needle instead of hands. And the red end, you can see in the picture, the red end of the needle always points north. Okay. Now, open page 44. Let's start. Question number 1. Fill in E for east, W for west, N for north, S for south in the compass below. We write NE for the direction between north and east. Fill in all directions that lie between the main direction. I have showed you the compass right now. Likewise, now we will have to fill it. The left hand side, the picture is displayed, is given in your book. And in the right hand side, I have filled the answers for your comfort. Always remember, for in between directions, put N or S before E or W. Okay, now N is for north, which is already filled in the picture. Opposite to it, mark S, that is south. Then on the left side, mark W, that is west, and just opposite to it, east, that is E. Now, the sun always rises in the east, sets in the west direction. Okay, in between N and E, in between N, that is north, and E, that is east, mark NE, that is northeast. Now, in between E and S, mark SE, that is southeast. In between W and S, mark SW, that is southwest. And in between W and N, mark NW, that is northwest. Now, dear children, we will have to do question number 2. Write T for true and F for false. You are watching the sunrise. You are looking towards the east and the statement is true. So mark T. B. You are watching the sunset. You are looking towards the east. The statement is false because if you are watching the sun sets towards the west side. So the statement is false. Mark F. You see a rainbow at 8 o'clock in the morning. You are looking towards the west. Mark T. That is true. The statement is true. Now, D. In a map, north is usually at the top, south it is at the bottom. True. The direction opposite to northeast is EN. The statement is false because the direction opposite to northeast East is SW, that is southwest. F. You are walking westward. You get back to where you started. You will walk eastward. The statement is true. Now, question number 3. Given on page number 45. Dear children, open page number 45. Here you will have to complete the way to the treasure using the direction EWNSW, that is east, west, north, south, and NE, that is northeast, NW, that is northwest, SE, that is southeast, and SW, that is southwest. Now, the question is, see the picture on page number 45 and solve the questions displayed on the screen. Sail in the northeast direction, write NE. B. Then turn and sail NW to reach Sandy Creek. NW is northwest. Now, walk N till you reach the Black Hills. Walk N means walk north till you reach the Black Hills. D. Then turn and walk E and find Salt Lake. See the picture. The questions are given in your book. The same questions are given in your book, and the picture is also displayed in page number 45. Then turn and walk E and find Salt Lake, that is E. East side. Now E, swim S towards Treasure Island. Swim south towards Treasure Island. On the island, move southwest, that is SW, right there, SW, to find the treasure. In A, you have to write NE, that is northeast. B, write NW, that is northwest. C, write N, that is north. D, write E, that is east. E, write S, that is south. And F, write SW, that is southwest. Now, dear children, I have displayed the answers. You can tally it again and write down neatly and clearly. Refer to the picture given in page number 45. Do the work properly and nicely, neatly, and learn all the previous questions given. Okay? Go through it. Do the work properly, neatly. Stay fit, stay well. Thank you.